Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're looking at how Malaysian Christian elders can navigate aging with real purpose.
Did you know 11% of Malaysians are already seniors? And wow, that number is climbing fast.
Because of this rapid shift, by 2030, Malaysia is literally going to become an aging nation.
Meanwhile, your adult children are stuck in the sandwich generation, juggling care for you and their own kids.
This double duty causes intense financial strain, zero personal time, and honestly, deep emotional burnouts. Look at this, 67% of these caregivers seriously struggle to balance their jobs and caregiving. So how do we navigate this dynamic gracefully? How do we stop exhaustion or resentment from taking root? Well, it starts by accepting the role reversal. Letting your kids care for you takes profound humility. Building a true partnership here means communicating openly, adjusting your expectations, and keeping that mutual respect. It's a beautiful exchange, really. They offer practical, modern care, while you impart totally irreplaceable life wisdom. You see, for believers, getting older isn't a decline at all. It's stepping into a season of grace. Because in God's kingdom, there's no such thing as retirement. Actually, it's time for refirement. Sure, your physical pace might slow down, but God's mission for your life, it's far from over. You now have this incredible luxury, unhurried time to just pray, listen, and sit with God. You're literally a walking storybook of God's faithfulness. That makes you an absolute treasure to younger generations. So your calling shifts toward building intergenerational connections and jumping into the powerful, unseen ministry of prayer. And bridging that gap with youth? No tech skills needed. It just takes a listening, loving heart. While your adult children are exhausted juggling life, you can step right up as their prayer warriors. Even when bodies fail, remember Paul's words. God's strength is made absolutely perfect in our weakness. So I'll leave you with this. How will you use your season of grace to glorify God today?